Let us play football. These are some pictures of football game. Main skills in football game: dribbling, kicking, controlling the ball, heading the ball, throwing in ball, field defending, goalkeeping. Name the two main technical methods of kicking the ball in football game. Kicking with the inner side of foot, kicking with the outer side of foot. Explain the kicking with the inner side of foot. The free leg should be placed parallel to the ball and a little away. The eye must be focused on the ball. The weight of the body should be borne by free leg while the leg used for kicking moves forward the ball. Kick the ball with the curved inside part of the foot. After kicking the ball, the foot used for kicking must move forward with the ball. Useless force to kick the ball to the short distance, increase force to kick the ball to a long distance. What are the instances used to kick the ball with the inner side of the foot? A kick at a goal, a corner kick, a penalty kick, passing the ball to a player at a distance. Explain as to how kick is done with the outer side of the foot. Kick the ball with the instep of the foot. The free foot must be placed parallel to the ball a little away from the other. The eyes must be focused on the ball. The weight of the body must be borne by the free foot when kicking the ball. The hands should be kept free at this moment. The foot used for kicking must move forward after the kick. What are the instances where the outer side of the foot used to kick the ball? To penalty kick, to pass the ball to a player at a distance, to kick a stationary ball hard. What are the facts you should remember when controlling the ball? The head, chest, abdomen and legs can be used for control the ball. The sole of the foot, the instep, the inside and outside of the foot, the tongues and the skin are frequently used to control the ball. Should control the ball that comes from above, rolling and rebounding. Write the main three methods of controlling the ball. Controlling the ball with inside of the foot, controlling the ball with the instep, controlling the ball with the sole of the foot. How is the controlling the ball with the inside of the foot brought about? Control the ball with the curved inside part of the foot. Take the foot a little backwards as the ball comes into contact with the foot. Keep the free foot near the ball. Keep the hands relaxed. Keep the head, knees and legs in a straight line. How is the controlling of ball with the instep brought about? The instep is used to control the ball coming high in the air. When the ball comes into contact with the foot must be moved a little backwards as slow down the ball. Eyes must be focused on the ball. The weight of the body must be on the free leg. Keep hands relaxed and free. Move the trunk of the body slightly backwards. How is the controlling of the ball with the sole of the foot brought about? When the ball comes at you from the front, the ball must be controlled with the sole of your foot. Slightly bend the free leg at the knees and place it behind the ball. Press the ball in slightly with the foot as the ball makes contact with the foot. Keep the hands on either side of your body to maintain balance. The ball must be stopped in front of the player. The trunk of the body must be slightly bent forward. State a few activities that can be carried out to control the football. The player in front kicks the ball with the inside of the foot and drives the ball to the other player. The player who receives the ball stops the ball with the inside of his foot. The player in front kicks the ball using his instep, driving the ball to the other player. The player receiving the ball controls the ball using his instep. Position yourself in a zigzag pattern. The player at the front must kick the ball with his instep to the player next to him. The player to whom the ball is passed must kick it to the next player using the inside of the foot, after stopping the ball with his sole of the foot. If you like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Myself Learning Academy and put a like and a comment to this video. Thank you. Creation of Myself Learning Academy.